Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hammond to near Sauk Village, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Highland, Munster, Chesterton, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Wynwood, South Haven, New Chicago, and Wheeler. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 7 and 36. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 17. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 253 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Calumet, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, and South Shore Railcats baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service